Dear children, this is the fourth module. In this module we are going to discuss how to draw multiple bar graph. To draw multiple bar graph, decide the number of x points. We can use arrange or in line space function to find the number of points based on the length of values in a sequence. Decide the thickness of each bar and accordingly adjust x points on x-axis. Give different colors to different data ranges. The width remains the same for all ranges being plotted. We can call plot for each data range. So my dear children, I will explain how these points will be included in our program. Look at the program here. Here I imported, the first two lines are imported, matplotlib and pyplot, also numpy. Numpy is nothing for creating the line space. A is a list, B is another list, line space 151 5. Then I try to draw two bar, that is bar 1 is for what? X comma A values, then width comma, that is width is equal to 3, color is equal to red, and it is labeled like Australia. Then another bar chart for x plus 3 comma B, x plus 3 comma B, where x is what? 151 and 5. Then width become 3, color become green, label equal India. So my dear children, here I used 2 bar for representing two different countries, India and Australia, with different colors. So it will be easy for comparison. Then as usual we can give x-axis, y-axis title, and I am calling another function called legend to display the legend. That is nothing but you can see the legend here, and just calling the legend, that legend we should have to write in the bar function itself, that is label. The first label is for Australia, the second label is for India. So my dear children, look at the output of this particular program, how the bar chart is visible or viewing. So as we discussed how to draw the multiple, now I am repeating the same points. Decide the number of x points. We can use arrange or line space function to find the number of points based on the length of values in a sequence. Then decide the thickness, that is the width of each bar accordingly to adjust the x point. Then give different colors to different data ranges. That is why I used red and green. Then width remains the same for all ranges being plotted, because in between we are not supposed to change. We can call plot for each data range. Once again I will show you the output. Here I used bar. I had imported two library modules, that is pyplot and numpy. Then I used line space. Line space is a function in numpy. It is using for giving the sequence, that is 155 and 5. Then I created 2 bar, one is for Australia and one is for India. Then I just called legend before showing the output. So I think you are all clear about how to draw multiple bar graph. Thank you.